Hello, this is Wendi Thomas, State Representative from the 178th, and I'm here today at my Senior Expo with Heather from the Senior Law Center. So Heather, can you tell us a little bit about the Senior Law Center?
Yes, well, my name's Heather Hines. I'm the staff attorney for the Senior Law Center. We provide free legal assistance for seniors that are 60 and over that are residents of Pennsylvania. I run the Bucks County office. Our office is in Bristol Borough. We provide assistance for seniors who have been victims of something. So if they've been victims of abuse, we can assist with PFAs, protections from abuse. We can assist with evicting abusers. We can assist with financial exploitation that's occurred. We can have rewrite powers of attorney. Oftentimes the financial exploitation is due to a family member who's the power of attorney that is draining their bank accounts. We can step in and try to stop that, stop the bleeding, and hopefully get some of the money back.
How do the seniors find you?
We do have a website, seniorlawcenter.org. We are free, and there's no income limit or maximum.
Anybody really can.
Correct.
Not worry about it.
If you're indigent or a millionaire, we can provide services for you. And we also have a network of partners that if we can't assist with a specific issue, we do have a network of partner organizations and pro bono attorneys that might be able to assist where we can't.
Great. What are some of the common scams that people call you about?
Oh, geez. We've had the online dating scams. I actually have a case that is kind of an online dating scam and a lottery scam. So oftentimes seniors have had their spouse pass away, and now they're facing being alone for the first time in decades. And they get lonely and they're looking for companionship and everything. And so they're very vulnerable to people. They're oftentimes younger that find them on various dating websites. And then they prey upon their bank accounts. And depending on the situation, we have assisted seniors in filing police reports and prosecuting those cases. We've also assisted getting some of the money back with the victim compensation fund. So there's every case is a little bit different, but we can help with those. We have seniors that we've assisted through the MoneyGram and the Western Union scams. Okay. There was a big judgment against Western Union, and some of our seniors who had lost money through Western Union, those scams, they're now able to recoup some of that money.
That's great. There's been a lot in the news about the telephone scams that have gone on, and so if somebody is just concerned that it might be a scam, can they call you just for advice on how to figure out if they're getting scammed or not?
Absolutely. I can tell you that if the person on the other side of the phone is alleging that they are a government agency of any kind and they're calling you after 5 or on a weekend or a holiday, guaranteed it's not legitimate.
Good to know.
If you're going to get arrested for anything, you're going to get paperwork in the mail from the court, the police department. Nobody's going to come to your house and arrest you because you haven't paid your taxes, unless you actually get paperwork, from the county.
IRS or the,
exactly. You're going to get paperwork for something like that. There's no government agency that's going to take payment in the form of Bitcoins, iTunes gift cards, or any gift cards. But if anybody has a concern, I have a client that showed up in my office 20 minutes after receiving a call, and he was frantic and said, they're saying they're going to put a lien on my house and they're going to arrest me for this. I asked him for the phone number, which was out of Texas, and it was supposed to be a local government agency. So it clearly was a scam, and he's my client because he's already suffering other issues. So he's more vulnerable again because he's dealing with this other victimization, which makes them that much more susceptible to these other scams. So they can certainly call us anytime.
So tragic. It's good to know that you're there and that your service is free. So if anybody has any concerns, any seniors, please reach out to the Senior Law Center and get some help. Thank you, Heather.